Now I tell you about the Polaroid. It is the cheapest and very simplest method to produce the plain polarized light. It is a commercial method. Polaroid is the cheapest and simplest method of producing plain polarized light on commercial basis. So commercially, when the Polaroids are used, they produce the plain polarized light. Principle. These Polaroids are based on the principle of dichroism. Polaroids are based on the principle of dichroism or selective absorption. Selective absorption. Now construction. How is Polaroid made? The graphite crystals are arranged parallel to one another on a nitro cellulose film. The artificial crystals are arranged parallel to one another on a nitrocellulose film. which is placed between two thin glass plates. Thin glass plates. And now it is the Polaroid. It is the Polaroid. Polaroid. Perthite or iodosulfate. Sulfate of quinine crystals are dichroic. So they are used to make Polaroid. तो क्या करते हैं अपने पास भी नाउ वी आर हैविंग, ये सपोज करो कि एक फिल्म है और इस पर अपने क्रिस्टल को ऐसे रख दिया लाइक दिस। This is the crystal Polaroid, or we can have like this. These are the Polaroids, both are Polaroids. This is this circle that I have made it. This is the nitrocellulose film, and that I have told you this the lines that I have told this these are the crystals, they are the optic axis, so these are the crystals. Now the working of Polaroid. Working of Polaroid. The ordinary light ray. S arrow or parallel vibrations, and dot or perpendicular vibrations. This we know it. This is the ordinary light ray. It has both kinds of vibrations. These are either dot and arrow vibrations. So this is now ordinary light ray. Ordinary. Light ray. Ordinary light ray. When an ordinary light ray is made incident on a polaroid, those vibrations are allowed to pass through polaroids which are parallel to the optic axis, and other vibrations are absorbed by polaroid. Thus the transmitted light ray is plane polarized. Is plane polarized. So this is in this way. Suppose I take the crystal and these are the optic axis of the crystals which are parallel. This is the light ray. Having the dot and arrow vibrations, and this is the transmitted ray which have only the arrow vibrations. So this is E ray, and this is plane polarized. Plane polarized. This is the polarizer. Polaroid. So this is the incident light ray. Incident light ray. This is the polaroid. These are the optic axis. So only the vibrations which are parallel to this optic axis, they are allowed to pass through it. I have shown you the arrow vibrations which are parallel to this one. If dot vibrations are parallel to this one, then they will pass, and arrow vibrations will be stopped or absorbed by the crystal. So thus only one kind of vibrations are allowed to pass. So the transmitted light ray is completely plane polarized, and when this activity is done by the Polaroid, that the unpolarized light is polarized, then this is called the polarizer. Also it can be used as an analyzer. So we can find whether the polarized the light coming from the polarizer has been polarized or not. That is detected by the analyzer. So Polaroids may be used as a polarizer and analyzer. The Polaroids used for polarization of light is called polarizer, and if it is used to analyze the polarized light, it is called analyzer. So Polaroid can be used in the both ways, as a polarizer and as a analyzer. So this is what that I have told you about the Polaroid. In the next video I will tell you about the types of polarized, and also that what happens to the Malus law. That is very important, and you can immediately see from here that since there are two kinds of vibrations in the ordinary ray, so one kind of vibration are absorbed. It means that the intensity of the transmitted ray is 50% of the incident light ray. The intensity of polarized light is half or 50% of incident of intensity of incident light ray. It means that the polarizer transmits 50% light ray and stops 50% light ray. So only the half of the intensity is allowed to pass by the polarizer. The analyzer will analyze whether this light is plane polarized or not. So the analyzer is rotated about the direction of the transmitted light ray. So that I will tell you later on, that how to detect the plane polarized light. So this is about the polarizer. So you all like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you very much.